For the last semester, we have been working as a part of the course of integration project, which is part of the master thesis portfolio in UAntwerpen to develop a river selection model for river cleanup.
The integration project as a whole was complete, as I said, it's a project, a lot of consulting, a lot of developing. We were introduced to a whole different case with the company, a real life case. We had to all develop the ideas, come out with a solution, and of course present it in a very nice way and ensure it's a viable thing. So it was a really nice project to bring into life.
We analyzed all the datasets, developed the prototype, and did the business case. And now we just presented it in front of the board of river cleanup, which was very exciting. Yeah, we were a bit nervous because it's a big thing for students to do this, but will be our job. So yeah, we were prepared because we did a lot of work throughout the semester, so it went well.
One of the things that I got my attention most is sustainability. At this point, it's a really big thing, and working with an NGO, you can see that directly. You do not focus specifically on the business part, but also on how it can be sustainable, how it impacts the environment. And working with an NGO was the first example we had. It was a really nice way to see the things and see them also from a different business perspective as well. We got to meet people from Prague that are doing the double degree, so that was also a nice added value. They brought a lot of new knowledge, but at the same time, the people that I've been having classes with every day, so it was also really nice to collaborate. 15 students from different areas, all with different strengths and weaknesses, so that was a really nice collaboration and team up. Totally. I feel it's the closest I've been in this whole time to a real job experience. I feel it really valuable to get to put yourself into the shoes of a person that is working, presenting, developing.
I feel like this is the best thing you can do in the university. You can take your theory that you learn and actually apply it on the real project, talk with the customer, work with it in a big team of 15 people. So it's the best thing we did in the university.